In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock cells in LibreOffice Calc. By the end, you'll know exactly how to protect specific cells so others can edit the sheet without accidentally changing critical data or formulas. The key idea to remember is that marking a cell as protected doesn't do anything by itself. The lock only takes effect after you protect the sheet. Start by launching LibreOffice Calc. Open an existing spreadsheet if you already have one, or create a new file if you're starting fresh. Either way works the same for this process. First, we'll clear the default protection so we can choose exactly which cells should be locked. Select the entire sheet by pressing Ctrl+A, or click the small empty square at the top left corner where the row and column headers meet. With everything selected, go to the Format menu, choose Cells, and switch to the Cell Protection tab. Uncheck Protected, then click OK. At this point, every cell on the sheet is editable, which sets you up to lock only the cells you truly want to safeguard. Now select the specific cells you want to lock. This might be a range containing your key totals, a set of formula cells, or any values you don't want changed. You can click and drag to select a block, hold Ctrl to select multiple non-adjacent areas, or click a column or row header if you need to protect an entire column or row. Take a moment here to double-check your selection so you don't accidentally lock the wrong cells. With those cells selected, go back to Format, choose Cells, open the Cell Protection tab again, and this time check Protected. Click OK. You've now marked those cells as protected. But remember, they won't actually resist edits until the sheet is protected. To activate the lock, open the Tools menu and choose Protect Sheet. This tells Calc to enforce the protection settings you just applied. You'll see a dialog asking for a password. Enter a strong password and click OK. Keep this password in a safe place. If you forget it, you won't be able to turn off protection later. After this, the protected cells can't be edited, while all other cells remain freely editable. Test it by trying to type in one of the locked cells. You should get a notice that the cell is protected. To make changes in the future, you can remove protection by going back to Tools and choosing Protect Sheet again, then entering your password. Don't forget to save your file so these settings persist. And that's it. You've successfully locked only the cells that matter in LibreOffice Calc.